everyone and welcome back to Conn. So today we will see how to work with table calculation. So let's start. So first I will take product subcategory into rows and sales into text. Okay. This is. So if your manager asks you which is the third highest number in the selling subcategory, so it would be so difficult to search for it, right? So for this you will just select this sum of sale, click this drop down option, click on this quick table calculation and click on rank. Okay, so when you click on rank, you can see all the rank of this subcategory, right? So now you can quickly tell telephones and communication has third rank, or telephone or communication has third highest selling subcategories, right? Now your manager will ask to find out percentage of total. How much is the percent of sales given by each subcategory? Okay. So for this, just bring one more sales into text. For this, just double click on sales. Okay, and click on this drop down option, click on quick table calculation and click on percent of total. Okay, so that you can see which is the first term. Office machine is the first term, and you can see like the first rank, which is office machine, is contributing 16.53% of total sales. Let's see for fourth rank, which is tables, which is contributing 10.07% of total sales, right? So in this way you can find out the quick table calculation. Okay, so there are all these things are available. You can see running total, difference, percent of total, rank, percentile, moving average, all these things. Okay, you can play with all this quick table calculation. So let's take one more example. Okay, so here I will take order date into rows and the same sales into text. Okay, let's take order date into rows and sales into text. Okay, so here we have only 1 year, that is 2015. So that I will just expand this one, so that you will find the quarters, which is Q1 and Q2. So you can see the sale in quarter 1 was 8,72,565 and the sale in quarter 2 was 10,51,773, right? So if I want to know the difference between the quarter 1 and quarter 2 sale, then what you will do? So then just go to this drop down option, click on this quick table calculation, then click on difference. Okay, so that you can see the sales have incremented by 1,79,208. Okay, so now if I again drag and drop sales into this box, okay, just double click on sales, then you can see the difference, right? So this is the 8,72,565 in quarter 1 and in quarter 2 10,51,773, and the difference was 1,79,208, right? So here suppose your manager will ask to show the how much is the percent of sale incremented or decremented. So for this, click on this second one. Okay, click on quick table calculation, then click on percent of difference. There is two things, difference and percent of difference. Okay, so click on percent difference. See, you can see the difference is 1,79,208 and the percent of difference is 20.54%, right? So now if I want to see the running total, okay, then again double click on sales, click on this one and click on quick table calculation and click on running total. Okay, running total means cumulative total. Okay, so in this way you can give the result to your manager. Okay, and let's take one more example. Here I will just take order date into rows. Okay, and the same sales into text. Okay, then go to quick table calculation and click on rounding total. Okay, I'll just expand this year to quarter. Okay, the same thing, click on rounding total. So if I click this quarter option, then you can find the month: January, February, March, April, May, June. Like you can check the January month, the sale was 2 lakh, the running total sale was 2,74,767. In February it was 6,868. So you can see the monthly wise report also, right? So if I write quarters here, this one, okay, here I will just take it here, and here order date. Okay, see, the structure has changed now. Okay, you can see in quarter 1, the January month, it was 2,74,767. In February it was 6,868. In March 8,72,565. In quarter 2, the April month was 12,62,397, and so on. Okay, so if you want to know this rank also, you can know. I'll just delete this one. Okay, so if you want to know the rank, then click on this sum of sale drop down, then quick table calculation, then click on rank, so that you can see April month was the highest sale, which was in quarter 2. And then the June month was in second highest, which was in also quarter 2. Then February month was in third rank, which was in quarter 1. So in this way you can check all these things. Okay, so I hope you have understood the table calculation. That's all for this video. Thank you.
So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz, so that I will know how much you have understood. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.